People seem to think that you need a backup battery or some sort of backup generator in order for you to go solar. It's actually far from the truth. You don't actually need any backup battery or any backup generator to go solar. You can actually go solar today and stay on the grid with your current utility provider. It'll still work the same. The only difference is you won't just, in the event of a power outage, and yes, you will still have a power outage even if you have solar, but if you have a backup generator, backup battery, that doesn't necessarily affect you. All your power ends up, instead of being utilized to the grid first, it actually gets stored with your battery backup, either like using a Powerwall or an LG Chem. But of course, it is limited in resources. It just isn't a 24/7 fully loaded, allows you to cover your entire household. It will cover some breakers in your home, such as there may be lighting in your household, maybe a couple of amenities, maybe your fridge, microwave, but nothing too extravagant unless you're really looking to invest in a huge wide variety of backup batteries. But most people don't typically do that. So this is more for like the one-offs if you just really absolutely must have power 24/7. So it's not something you need to invest in.